What is the number?
Hold on a second.
Good morning, Your Honor.
I'm Ms. Williams Law.
I don't think more of the area. If they come to or think something about it. You got me.
Judge Perkins, Mrs. Jabara, are you safe?
I don't know, just to come here and look for
Do you have any
everything at all.
hands, sir?
Yes, sir. I got one.
The recruiter over there is named Mike Diaz.
Mike Diaz.
Mark Diaz, M-A-R-K D-I-A-Z.
Okay.
His number is 313
Mm-hmm.
820
820
8437.
8437.
What's your number?
615-596-5554.
You know, you're going to have to pay attention to detail if you go there to get a perfect number.
Okay.
All right, are we ready, Ms. Williams Law? Good morning to you. I got Mr. Boston here. I think we can get going.
Yes, Your Honor.
All right. It's the city of Detroit versus Brandon Lavelle Lenore, case number SP 128-79361. State your name for the record, Mr. Lenore.
Brandon Lenore.
All right, today is a date and time set for review. I don't have to.
Okay, just one.
Today is a date and time set for review. You indicated to the court that you didn't pay the fines and costs because you got fired. And you would like some more time to pay. I'm going to give you that time. You can also do some community service while you're sitting there if you want to, and make that right with work. But I'll give you how many weeks do you need?
I need about 3 weeks.
That's key.
All right, I'm gonna give you 30 days.
Okay.
Judge Perkins. This is Junior.
I'm gonna give you 30 days. Come back 24th of you don't have to come back either. You either pay it or it's gonna affect your license.
Okay.
Come back April the 24th, 2023. All right.
Okay.
All right. There's nothing further, sir. Have a very good day. Good luck to you.
All right. Thank you. You too as well.
Okay. Counselor for Hatchet.
What was the purpose of your call?
Good morning to you. Counselor for Hatchet. Counselor Colbert.
Good morning, Your Honor. Jennifer Colhurst, P52876. Your Honor, I am standing in for the attorney of record, Glenn McCandless, and appearing on behalf of Mr. Gary Gilbert.
Okay, he just came in and asked for a new date. Asked for a trial. Is Gary Gilbert in the courtroom now? Good morning to you, Ms. Colbert.
Good morning, sir.
All right, he did, we'll put it on the record. He just came in and asked for a new date for Gary Gilbert. This is the city of Detroit versus Gary Bernard Gilbert, case number SP 1405346, counts 1, 2, and 3, appearance for the record, please.
Good morning, Your Honor. Jennifer Colthurst, P52876. I'm standing in for the attorney of record, Mr. Glenn McCandless, and appearing on behalf of Mr. Gary Gilbert.
All right, as it relates to your client's appearance, you want to put it on the record, waiving his appearance motion?
Yes, Your Honor. At this time, I will waive his appearance. He's here, if I'm not mistaken, for an arraignment. Waive the reading and stand mute.
We'll we'll waive his presence. You retain Glenn or $0 bond, not guilty plea on his behalf. Recall, there's just no warrant, so we'll do that. And I gave him a trial date of May the 23rd, 2023 at 9 a.m.
Thank you, Your Honor. I'll pass that on to the attorney, McCandless.
Yeah, he knows that. He actually is the one that he was in here just a minute ago.
Oh, so I just missed him. All right, thank you.
All right, very well. Good to see you. Have a great day. And
Thank you.
good luck.
Likewise. Thank you, Your Honor. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye. Good morning, Mr. Bachman. Where's Landers? He's out there.
Morning, Your Honor. Good morning, Ms. Williams. Good morning, everyone. Happy Friday.
Good morning, Mr. Bachman. Happy Friday.
This is Landers.
Let me see if
He
I can-
indicates that he doesn't know why. What's your date of birth, Mr. Landers?
09/21/92.
He on the calendar? Oh, yeah.
He's
you're
on the
online.
calendar, but not all this.
I'm trying to find this.
Morning, Mr. Faulkner.
Good morning, Judge. Ms. Williams Law, good morning.
Good morning, Mr. Faulkner.
This is another individual that seems to need some serious intervention.
There you go,
Where are
Harry.
Where are you, Mr. No, not you, Mr. Faulkner. Where are you, Mr. Landers? Can you take your hat off, please? Are you driving a vehicle, sir?
No, I'm sitting in the vehicle.
You sitting in the driver's side of a vehicle?
Yes,
Whose vehicle is that?
my girlfriend. They was still asleep in the house, so I just came out, you know.
I don't know if I believe it, but that's what. All right, let's
Harry, you odd or even? Which,
Out of the two of us, I'm probably the odder.
well, okay, you got the odd on the,
Gotcha.
I'll take the even.
what's the odd and even? What's that?
In the breakout rooms, if they're odd numbers, 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, they go to one of us, and 2, 4, 6, 8, etc. goes in the,
I don't think we'll need that here. Judge just gonna place us each in one room and then one by
that's
one.
fine, whichever
Yeah.
way you want to do it, Judge.
This is the city of Detroit versus Daryl Nathaniel Landers. Case number SP 1137789, counts 1, 2, and 3. SP 1137812, counts 1, 2, and 3. SP 1140114, counts 1, 2, and 3. SP 1140116, SP 1170510, counts 2. SP 8943, strike that, 8942. 35, counts 1, 2, and 3. SP 907847, counts 1, 2, and 3. SP 1254958, counts 1, 2, and 3. SP 12550, strike that, SP 1255406, counts 1 and counts 2. SP 1256031, SP 1270739, counts 1, 2, and 3. SP 1277209, counts 1, 2, and 3. SP 1279780, counts 1, 2, and 3. SP 1279789, SP 1311954, counts 2. SP 1311958, SP 1424686, counts 1, 2, and 3. 17376953, counts 1, 2, and 3.
What you are using?
17737711, counts 1, 2, and 3.
So you tell me. So I was-
17388
That's just.
counts 1, 2, and 3.
Still-
204000763, counts 1, 2, and 3. Appearance for the record, please.
Please the court, Harry Blockman on behalf of the defendant. Sir, please state your name for the record.
Daryl Landers.
Thank you, Mr. Landers, and good morning, sir. Judge, we're here for a pretrial. I'd be interested in knowing what the offer is.
Well, Mr. Blockman, we're here for a lot more than a free trial.
Okay.
A lot more.
By the way, just so the record is clear, this is Daryl Nathaniel Landers Jr., correct?
Yeah.
Okay.
All right, today is the date and time set for a free trial on some of the cases on the SP 1424686, counts 1, 2, and 3, and it's set for the rest of the cases set for a warrant. And then some of the cases are here for civil infractions. Those cases that I call that are civil infractions, I'm going to set aside the default.
Thank you, Your Honor. We would move to set aside those defaults as to matters that are here for an arraignment. We would waive any more formal reading of the information or complaint and stand mute.
All right, I'll enter a not guilty plea on your client's behalf. I'll give your client a $0 bond. And I don't know, maybe you can talk to him in a breakout room, see what he wants to do with all this stuff, or
I already have Alexa on the line, Your Honor. If I could just take a moment or short period of time in the breakout room with the defendant, that'll help.
All right. Good morning, Ms. Harris.
Good morning, Your Honor. How are you?
I'm very well. Do you have a retained client?
Yes. Hassan Al-Basel. It should be set for trial today.
All right. We'll give you know the standard procedure.
Yep, thank you.
The City of Detroit versus Douglas Gibbons Jr. Case number U617-86721. Appearance for the record, please. Yeah, unmute yourself, Mr.
Okay, here I am. Paul Faulkner, representing the defendant, Your Honor. Who is it? Gibbons?
Yes,
State your name for the record, please.
Douglas Gibbons Jr.
All right, that's the rates for arraignment on the bench warrant, Counselor.
Waive the formal reading and stand mute, Your Honor.
In our not guilty plea in your client's behalf, you can find a $0 bond. We'll set another trial date. Client was had a trial date. He's aware of that. He said he got sick. Give him an opportunity to come back in on May the 25th, 2023 at 9 a.m. All right.
Okay, so Your Honor, being that you said that I missed that dismissal review, is no type of way you could grant me that, or because I was sick? I mean, because you said that I missed the dismissal.
Yeah, I thought you missed the dismissal. I'm thinking that officer didn't show, but it kind of wouldn't be fair for the other side, right? You know, you both missed. So there's gotta be a redo.
Okay. Okay, no problem.
And I'm stating that just off trying to remember exactly. He may have been here, I don't know, because I don't see the actual file, but I do believe that no one showed up. I do appreciate your argument, but I'm gonna deny it because both missed. All right. If there's nothing further, Mr. Gibbons, have a good day. I was gonna say, am I talking to myself?
I'm sorry, Your Honor, the phone went out. I'm back. This is Mr.
No,
Gibbons.
I was talking to myself, wasn't it?
No. I heard you said that it wouldn't be fair to the other side. Something about we both missed or something you said.
Right, so I'm gonna deny it. I appreciate your argument, but I'm gonna deny it. Just come back in on the 25th of May. All right.
Okay, no problem.
Nothing further. Have a good day, sir.
You too, sir. So I don't have no warrants or nothing, right, sir?
No, you don't.
Okay, thank you very much, Your Honor. And I do apologize. I was sick, like I said. I do apologize. I normally don't miss court.
All right, very well. Okay. That's good. I'm glad you've been doing better.
Okay, thank you, sir.
All right.
That date was May.
25th, 2023 at 9 a.m.
Okay, thank you.
All right. All right, have a good day, Mr. Gibbons.
You too, sir.
All right, this is the City of Detroit versus Darius Lamar Lee. Case number SP 1432093, counts 1, 2, and 3. Appearance for the record, please.
Paul Faulkner, representing the defendant, Your Honor. Your name is, sir?
Darius Lee.
Good morning, Mr. Lee. Today is the date and time set for pretrial. Do you have valid driver's license, registration, and insurance?
Well, I have registration and insurance, and I'm currently working on my getting my license straight.
We need that license. Have you been here? Have I given you time before?
No, I never been. This is my first time.
All right. Let me give you some time to get that valid license.
Thank you, Your Honor.
I'll give you a pretrial, another pretrial date of 24th of April, all right, at 8:30.
Okay.
Bring those documents in when you come in, all right?
All right, will do.
Nothing further. Have a very good day, sir. Good luck to you.
Thank you. You as well.
Gross. Is that Kyra? Trey versus Manuel Christopher Gibson, case number SP 132-42761. State your name for the record.
Rakira is here.
Oh, okay.
Manuel Gibson on the record.
All right, very well, Mr. Gibson. Good morning to you. I'm going to dismiss the case. I see you paid, all right?
All right, thank you very much. Have a good day.
Have a better one.
Well, I'm not gonna pay this shit. Yep. Pay this shit.
Mr. Osborne,
Yes.
I hear your conversation, sir. I don't need to hear it. All right, Mr. Gibson, have a good day.
Okay, thanks.
I'm sorry, Aaron. Did you ever call Rakira? I think you called Rakira Gross. I couldn't get my phone unmuted.
I know. I'll call it. I'll recall it. I don't see her on the docket.
She's scheduled for 4/21/23 for travel. February 21st. I mean, April.
Miss Kinja Green,
Yes.
what about you haven't, I don't believe you paid, have you?
You had gave me community service.
Did you do it?
Yes, sir.
What about these other cases?
What other cases?
You have 2 other cases that are in that haven't been adjudicated.
I didn't know anything about any other cases.
Did you do the community service with Miss Green, with Miss Green?
They said that they was bringing it up to you, Mr. Thomas. I had did it the same day that they sent it out. I had went over there and completed everything.
And this was at the Southwest Detroit place?
Yes.
All right, I gotta get Mr. Phillips on the line. Call Mr. Phillips for a copy. Green. All right, hold on a second, Ms. Green.
Okay, take your time.
Miss Gross, you're a month early.
You said I'm a month early?
You're supposed to be here May 21st. May
I had
21st.
another one set for today, before you had set that one for me. The first time I came, so just come in.
Hold on. All I see is, all I see here is you have, you need a driver's license.
Kendrick, excuse me, it's Kendrick.
So you pay this reinstatement fee on this one case, SP 12.
Yeah, it was the reinstatement fee, and it was a $45 ticket, I believe. But you told me I had to come down there to pay it.
You haven't done so.
No, I haven't done so yet, but I am though. I do hair, and my schedule been so busy, and I live all the way in St. Clair Shores, so I have to come out there, and my salon is out here as well. So I have to come to the city to pay the ticket off, and by the time I'm done with work, it's closed.
Well, you gotta make some time, I guess. I don't know. You come back,
But I'm definitely making a priority. It'll be paid before I come back to court.
Well, it's not about paying it before you come back to court. It's about paying it
Yeah,
ahead
the
of time,
reinstatement fee.
so you can come back to court with a valid driver's license. That's what it's really about. I don't see that it says pay reinstatement fee. I'll put it on.
Judge, I want to verify the name. You said it was Kendrick.
Kendrick Green.
He said he doesn't have anything.
She said she went over to Southwest.
I haven't.
All right, come back on May 21st, 2023 at 9 a.m., okay?
Okay.
Have a great day, man.
You too, bye.
The city of Detroit versus Terry Lynette Oliver, case number SP 140095, running counts 2. SP 143134, counts 1 and counts 2. Appearance for the record, please. Good morning, Counselor Schneider. I'll put you in the breakout room. You have some officers in here, and then we probably have some defense attorneys that want to speak with you about offers.
Perfect. Could I ask if your staff could please send me a copy of the docket, or I can come down to the courtroom and grab one if it's printed, whatever be easier.
I'm sure we can send you a copy of it.
Perfect. If you go to my email, it's my last name. So Schneider plus the letter A at detroitmi.gov.
Very well.
Thank you. And I'll join.
This is breakout room. All right. Who's that? Miss Oliver, put their appearance on the record for Miss Oliver.
May it please the court, Harry Bachman on behalf of the defendant. Miss Oliver, would you unmute your device, please, and state your name for the record?
Terry Oliver.
Thank you and good morning.
Good morning.
Today is the date and time set for a hearing pretrial. 1, 2, 3. All of these, okay, they're misdemeanors. You got some misdemeanors in here. Do you have a valid license, Ms. Oliver?
No.
Morning, Officer Robinson. Morning. Officer White. Morning, sir.
This person needs.
Officer Turner, good morning to you.
Good morning, Your Honor. How are you today, sir?
She has dropped.
She got dropped. What's it gonna take for you to get a valid driver's license, Ms. Oliver?
Oh, okay, just, I'm not saying, right outside the door. Yeah.
What's it gonna take, Ms. Oliver, for you to get a valid license?
I have 2 more tickets I have to take care of that's not in Detroit.
Have you been here before?
Huh?
Have you been in my courtroom before?
Yeah.
And I gave you some time to take care of those tickets already?
No, I took care of your tickets.
And you got some more tickets?
No, these tickets, oh. This the newest ticket I got since I've been in your court.
Turn your camera on, please, ma'am. Do we have a file for her?
No.
Mr. Officer Turner, can you join the breakout room and speak with the city attorney, please?
Yes, sir. Yes, Your Honor.
Ms. Oliver, can you turn your camera on, please? Okay, now.
I don't know, my camera not working.
It's working? You indicated to the court that you were here before, and you've been in front of me before. And I don't know, you said you took care of the tickets before, right? That you were in front of me for, right?
Yeah.
So you took care of those tickets. What are these tickets? Are these new tickets?
Yes.
Oh, okay, so I thought you said no, they weren't new tickets. All right, so you continue to get tickets?
No, my baby was in the hospital and I had to rush there, and that's what happened.
But you continue to get tickets. I hope your dad is all right, but that doesn't negate the fact that you continue to get tickets. Mr. Bachman, 2024. No insurance, no license, no valid registration, and improper passing. When do you go into the other jurisdictions to take care of your license?
I've been doing that. I had paid Dearborn, and then I was paying you Detroit. Now I gotta do this. I think I got 2 more.
Judge, I could use a chat with her real quick to get some direction. I'm looking at the record. I'm not seeing anything in Detroit that's restricting her from getting her license.
It's not Detroit.
Right.
All right, this is her first time. I'll set a pretrial date.
Yes.
For April the 24th, 2023 at 8:30 a.m. We'll give a $0 bond. All right?
Thank you, Your Honor.
All right. Have a great day. I hope you can get a license by that time, man. April the 24th, come back.
Okay.
All right, on the iPhone, can you unmute yourself? The person that's getting dressed. What's your name, sir?
Samuel Gaffney.
Ryan,
What is it?
Ryan Glover.
Samuel Gaffney.
I already have you, Mr. Gaffney. Gilbert is your
Oh,
name?
okay.
No, Ryan Glover.
Glover. Ryan Glover. Do you have valid registration and insurance, Mr. Glover?
Sir, I have valid insurance, but I didn't have time to get the registration. We had some go on out in Atlanta. That's where I am now. I didn't have time to get it, but that's why I was asking Your Honor, can I have a little more time so I can get my registration, please?
How long is it gonna take you?
It should take after the first week of April or the second week of April. Just a little bit more time. I have the insurance already. I just got to go pay for the registration, but I'm in the process of moving also.
This is the city of Detroit versus Ryan Ronaldo Jose Glover, case number SP 1432771, SP 1432772. Appearance for the record, please.
Good morning, Harry Bachman for the defendant. Matter for pretrial, Your Honor. We asked if we could adjourn this matter for a short period of time. The defendant is going to come back in compliance.
Okay, that's fine.
Pre-trial, April 24th, 2023 at 8:30 a.m. Nothing further. Have a very good day. Good luck to you.
Thank you. You got the Zoom information?
You got the Zoom information, don't you?
Oh, it's the same information, Your Honor?
Yeah.
Okay, didn't know that. Thank you so much. Just want to be clear.
All right, have a good day, sir. Good luck to you.
Thank you.
Your Honor, what's this gentleman's name? Excuse me.
This is this is Ryan Glover. Ryan Ronaldo Jose Glover. It's on middle of 8:35.
Miss Mathis, if I can get a docket whenever you get an opportunity.
Sure, I didn't know you didn't have one, just one moment.
Thank you.
I can send that.
I appreciate it wherever it comes from.
No problem. I
have it. Thank you, Harry. Sending it right now.
Thank you.
All right. I have from Miss Green here. Let's call her case. Miss Green, you said you went to the Southwest Detroit Community Justice Center on Mondale?
They sent me over here on Chalmers down here for the veteran men. Miss
She did it at Love and Kindness. That was where Miss
yeah, Love
Green,
and Kindness.
Communities and community service and probation referred her to.
Let's this is the city. No, I already got it. I'll throw that off. This is the city of Detroit versus Kinga Green, case number SP 4984571, SP 4984581, SP 841880, counts 1 and counts 2, and 15540039. Appearance for the record, please.
Harry Bachman for the defendant. It's here for review, Judge.
Go ahead.
Good morning, Your Honor. Joseph Thomas on behalf of the probation department.
All right, good to see you in person, Mr. Thomas. All right, first of all, this is 15540039 is set for review. That's the only one set for review. The other two are set for trial today. Okay. So
And I can explain that if need be.
okay, go ahead.
So we had a review back on November 15th last year. It was determined at that review hearing if the defendant, Ms. Green, completed 26 hours of community service, that would be in lieu of her current tickets. There were trial dates originally set for January 9th on those other tickets. And it was said if the community service for those other tickets was done by that hearing, that they would be dismissed.
And where was this agreement made? In front of me?
Yes. It's back on November 15th of last year, so it was a while ago now.
Let's see the trial files. Do you have green in the trial files?
Oh.
Let's see what we have here. I don't have any notes to relate to that. Mr. Robinson, can you put your appearance on the record, please, Officer Robinson?
Good morning, Your Honor. Officer Willie Robinson, -259, Detroit Police.
All right, we're here on Kendrick Green. I don't know if you were part of this discussion on, go ahead, say that again, Officer Thomas. This is Probation Officer Thomas. Ms. Green apparently was offered to do 26 hours of community service.
And if the community service, this was back on November 15th of last year, if she completed all the community service by January 9th, the cases would be closed, I believe.
And we're talking, okay, and I can see these cases are pretty old. So is that why?
I believe that was why, Your Honor, because we were trying to deal with all of it in one go, so that as of the, originally this was all set for January 9th, and it got adjourned. I think what the court was hoping was that Ms. Green would have it all done, those 26 hours, which she did do in a timely fashion, and we could clear up all her matters at this court.
All right, do you recall that, Mr. Do you recall that, Mr. Officer Robinson?
I don't, sir.
All right, I don't have anything that it says in writing that that's what the agreement was made at that time. So I'm gonna honor the agreement. And I'm gonna dismiss the cases. If you have an issue with those being dismissed, Mr. Robinson, Officer Robinson, I can put you back in the breakout room with the city attorney.
Be out in the hallway. No, the lawyer is.
Say that again, Miss Williams Long.
I was just having background on your end talking, so I was in here.
If you don't have any issue, Ms. Green, apparently the probation officer took some good notes at a review hearing held on November 15th. It was determined by this court that the defendant completed 26 hours of community service in lieu of current tickets and fines related to this matter. The defendant has completed with all conditions, complied with all conditions. The defendant completed 26 hours of community service. The defendant has no new offenses. The probation department recommends that the defendant be discharged at this time. All right, you don't have any issue with that, do you, Officer Robinson?
No, sir.
Very well. If it's, I'm gonna dismiss. Well, we'll close out SP 4984571. We'll close that out. We'll close out SP 4984581. We will dismiss SP 841880 counts 1 and counts 2. And you paid a substantial amount down on this 15.5, maybe that's what it was. Since you paid so much for that, we'll close this out as well. All right, and I'm gonna say completed. Service. All right, Ms. Green, that's gonna conclude today. I'm gonna wait. Fine. All right, there's nothing further now. Good luck to you. Congratulations on that. Have a good day, all right?
All right, thank you. Will they be sending me papers so I can take it to the Secretary of State?
No, it'll get to the Secretary of State, and I don't believe you have to even worry about that. You took it on the Secretary of State a long time ago, it seems. Like.
Okay, thank you.
Have a great day, ma'am. Good luck to you.
You too, thank you, bye.
Have a good day, Your Honor.
All right, be safe out there, Mr. Officer Robinson.
Thank you. Have a good day.
All right, Counselor, good morning to you. Good morning. What do you have? Yes. All right, is he here? Keith Gaskin?
Yes.
Is that Keith Gaskin?
No.
Where's Keith Gaskin?
Samuel Gaffney.
Keith Gaskin is on here?
Samuel Gaffney.
Yeah.
Isaiah
Samuel.
Oh.
Well, here for a pretrial today, Judge, what I wanted to do was, I was hoping that if we were going to have a resolution, I could talk to my client about doing that, but something might have happened to him, because he's in our housing program at Neighborhood Legal Services, and I've known him a long time. And if he wasn't able to keep in touch with me yesterday, then something has happened with his phone going out of order. He doesn't know his court date, he forgot it, or something like that, because I've had a lot of interaction with people. All right, that's why I'm behind in a sense.
Very well. So what do you propose? Do you want to set today? What do you want to do?
I'd like to set it.
All right. This is the city of Detroit versus Patrick Gaskin. Case number SP 139-88900 U57585120. Appearance for the record, please.
Good morning, Your Honor. John J. Holler on behalf of Mr. Keith Gaskin. Our number is 43344. I'm with Neighborhood Legal Services. Mr. Gaskin is not here, and I know that he's on his court date. I tried calling him yesterday. Couldn't get left a voicemail message for him, and I'm pretty sure that something has happened where he can't keep in contact with me, or he was confused about the court date, because I've known him and he's been in our program here at Neighborhood Legal Services for a couple of years. And he's pretty responsible and pretty aware of things generally. I've been able to work with him before in clearing up cases on his behalf. So, given the fact that I've known him as long as I have in his conduct as a client, I would respectfully request another date where we can take another shot at this, please.
Very well. Because of that representation, I don't have that he's not. I mean, I'm going to accept the representation of counsel. You've dealt with me before, and this is actually the first time I believe I've seen his name. So I'll generally always allow that for the first time at least. We'll set another pretrial date, counselor, at April the 24th, 2023, if that comports with your schedule.
Let me take a quick look.
And while he's looking at that, Your Honor, if I could get the spelling, I couldn't quite hear the last name and the P number again.
Sure. Stand over here.
Of my name?
Yes.
You stand over behind me.
Okay, my name is Holler, Like, holler if you hear me, HOLLER. Bar number is 43344.
Thank you.
You bet.
Is that April 24th date good with you?
April 24th does look good, yes.
All right, April 24th, 8:30 a.m. We'll go to pre-trial. We'll grant the motion to
reset it.
or and to refuse your client from being here today.
Okay, good. Thank you.
Okay. If it's nothing further, Counselor, I'll see you on April the 24th.
See you on the 24th.
Have a great day. Great weekend. Okay, let's go with Graham. This is what about Landers?
We're ready, Your Honor.
Let's go back on the record with Mr. Daryl Landers. Mr. Landers, I'll give you an opportunity to speak with counsel in the breakout room. Counselor, what's your client want to do?
Judge, it was a good talk. He has actually gone to the Secretary of State and identified those cases which would bring him out of suspension were he to resolve those or pay the reinstatement fees. However, he can't locate that printout. He's going to go back and get another one today. And then that way he's going to have the direction with you. Pardon?
Does he have an ink pen?
He does. I think. Yeah, I
I'm
got
going
one.
to give you the cases that, or Keith Gaskin. Here's Keith Gaskin here. That's your client?
Yes.
I'm going to give you the cases that I can see that are affecting this license. He may have more.
He said there were 4 on the list, Your Honor.
Yes, I actually left like I'm gonna say about 2-3 weeks ago. They gave me a list with like four things that was actually stopping that. But I actually did.
All of them out of 30. All of them out of 36 District Court.
Excuse me.
Yes, Your Honor.
Or all in the 36 District Court.
Yeah.
All right, write these numbers down, sir. You ready?
Yes, hold on, sir.
Yes, I'm ready.
Not you, Mr. Gaskin. Hold on, your lawyer's here, Mr. Gaskin. You need to speak with him?
I don't really need to speak with him. I was hoping that the city prosecutor, we get a resolution today, or are we just setting another date?
City attorney is here. She's on Zoom.
Okay.
All right, let's go. Let's get these cases. SP, Mr. Gaskin, here it is. SP 1-1.
Yes,
I mean, no, strike that. I'm sorry, Mr. Landers. SP 1-1. 401142. Another case number, SP 12554062. Another case number, SP 12797802. And the last case number is SP 13119542. Did you get those, Mr. Landers?
Could you repeat that last one?
SP 13119542.
Okay, yes, I actually got those.
All right, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna allow you to pay that $45 reinstatement fee on each one of those tickets. So my calculation is $180. You have to come down to the courthouse in person and pay those up front.
Okay.
The sooner you pay those, you wait 48 to 72 hours. The sooner you pay those, you can go back to the Secretary of State in 48 to 72 hours and try and get a driver's license. We're going to set a pretrial date for 4/24/2023 at 8:30 a.m. Do you have any further questions, sir?
I don't, just that, court date. Could you, give me the date again?
April the 24th, 2023 at 8:30 a.m. April 24th, 4/24.
Okay, thank you.
All right, if you don't have any further questions, I wish you the best of luck. Have a very good day. Good luck to you, all right?
Okay, thanks.
All right, thank you. All right, what do you want to do with Gaskin? Gaskin, good morning to you. Your counsel is here right now.
Yes, sir.
That I gave, and then I'll come back.
Is this business? Did you say Samuel?
Mr. Snyder is
Yeah.
the attorney. I'm not talking to you, Mr. Samuel Gaffney. I'm not talking to you, Mr. Gaffney.
Let's just take the date that we have to come back, Judge, and between now and then, I'll try to talk with the state attorney on this matter. I tried zooming in so I could have that kind of connection, but the internet right now for the court, for the public, wasn't working. And I've got a preliminary examination to go to in person in a second, so that's.
All right, Mr. Keith Gaskin?
Yes, sir.
Good morning to you. Your lawyer is here, and he advocated on your behalf and said you are always abreast of your matters, and he never has an issue with contacting you. And he indicated that something must be going on because he's never had this problem before. So I waived your presence, and you didn't make a liar of him because you showed up.
Yes,
but
sir.
we're gonna push this matter off to give him some time to work this out with the city attorney. All right?
Yes, sir.
We can either set a trial date, or we can set this for a trial date, or we can set this for a pre-trial date, counsel.
Let's do another pre-trial.
All right, we set it, so come back April the 24th is your next date, all right?
Yes, sir. April the 24th.
April the 24th.
Okay, the same time.
Same time. You're in good hands.
Okay.
All right, if there's nothing further, sir, have a very good day. Good luck to you, all right?
Okay. Yes, sir.
All right, and you as well, counsel.
Okay, thank you.
All right, thank you. All right. Let's go with Graham, Devin Graham. The city of Detroit versus Devin Latrell Graham, case number 217-036-221, 227-06911. Appearance for the record, please.
Good morning. Harry Bachman for the defendant.
Where's Devin Graham?
I'm right here.
Sir, state your name.
Devin Graham on the 313-948-9999 device.
No.
Judge, we're here for an arraignment, so we'll ask a not guilty plea be entered. The nature of the charges suggest to me that we would set this for trial. And if I could speak to Mr. Graham, I can advise him as to how to complete better drivers.
All right.
Not guilty, please, and thank you.
All right, I want to enter not guilty plea on your client's behalf. You find the $0 bond. I'm gonna put the better driver's information in the chat. I'll give you some time to speak to Mr. Graham, and then you can come back and let us know what your client wants to do.
Understood, Your Honor. Thank you.
All right, that information is in the chat. So join the breakout room, Mr. Graham, and speak with Mr. Boffman. He's in there waiting on you. And I'm gonna.
Second floor. All right. Thank you so much.
I'm so sorry. This is Lawrence. I was having some complications. No one called me today. I was out for about a minute or so.
I know you're still in line, Ms. Lewis.
I'm sorry, sir.
You're still in line.
Okay, thank you.
City of Detroit versus Samuel Gaffney. Case number SP 1207811, SP 129799621. Appearance for the record, please.
Paul Fung, the representative defendant. Oh, I'm sorry, Dev. Your name, sir?
Samuel Gaffney.
All right, today is the date and time set for arraignment on the bench warrant. Go ahead, Mr. Faulkner.
Wait for my reading, stand mute, Your Honor.
Enter a not guilty plea on your client's behalf. Give your client a $0 bond. I will set aside the default in SP 129799621. You have a improper turn and registration ticket. You have valid registration, sir?
I have everything, Your Honor.
Ms. Snyder, counselor?
Yes.
And no valid registration and improper return. You mind clearing this up, blocking traffic, $175?
No objection, Your Honor.
All right. Blocking traffic, sir, for this point offense. It's going to be a 0-point offense. That's the amended count. $175 fine, and we'll dismiss the other matter. You want to take the deal?
How much is it?
$175, no points, and it does not abstract to the Secretary of State. And you want to take the deal, sir?
Yes, I will.
All right, Counselor, on behalf of your client, will you stipulate to the face of the ticket as a factual basis for the responsible plea?
Yes, Your Honor.
Stipulation probable cause for the dismissal of the other matter?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, amended count of blocking traffic, I'm gonna find you responsible, $175, Mr. Gaffney. When can you pay the $175?
In 2 weeks.
All right, I'm gonna have to give you till April. I'm gonna give you till April the 7th. What is that? I'll give you till April the 10th, 2023. April the 10th. Make sure you make the payment so it doesn't affect your driver's license, sir.
It will be paid, 175 will be paid that day.
Very well, sir. There's nothing further. You pay it in any that kiosk in the city of Detroit, or you come down to the courthouse and pay it in person. I'm told you can upload
I'll
that.
pay it down there.
Very well. Have a great day, sir. Good luck to you, all right?
Thank you, Your Honor.
Thank you. This is the city of Detroit versus Benita Lewis. Case number SP 13730. Counts 1, 2,
It
and
is,
3.
I promise you.
Name, two,
I'm here, Your Honor.
We got a lot of background noise.
Okay, I'm just stepping into the other. I'm at work.
No, some other people in line. The city of Detroit.
I'm here.
what I gotta do? Say?
Yes, Your Honor.
That's your background noise, Ms. Lewis. This is.
I don't, Your Honor, can I get
No,
the host a second?
actually, it's not.
It's not. Thank you.
Can you hear me?
City of Detroit versus Benita Lewis, case number SP 1373023, counts 1, 2, and 3. Appearance for the record, please.
Paul Fung, the representative defendant, Your Honor. Your name, ma'am?
Benita Lewis.
Today is the date. Good morning to you, Ms. Lewis. Today
Good
is the
morning.
date time set for a show cause in the matter. Go ahead, Counselor.
Wait for a reading, stand mute, Your Honor.
Enter a not guilty plea on your client's behalf. Give your client a $0 bond. Ms. Lewis, do you have valid license, registration, and insurance?
I have it. I don't know if you can see. Yes, sir.
Run Mrs. Lewis's license, please. Let me see the registration and insurance, please.
Now the insurance, my birthday is in 2 weeks. I'm having surgery on Monday. So that lapsed again. So I do have to get new insurance when I get my new plates, but I do have registration and license.
Well, that's not gonna be enough. The insurance is really the most important component of the whole deal.
Yeah,
Really?
unfortunately, I have taken time off, due to health issues, and I'm now on this Monday. Today is my last day of work until May 1st. I'm having surgery at Henry Ford Hospital on Monday. So I've been having some health issues, bills and things like that.
I understand. When will you get some insurance?
In
I'll
April.
tell you what, you could afford that expensive blue lipstick, couldn't you?
It was actually a gift.
Oh, it's a gift. Okay, that's an expensive gift there.
But I will have FMA and short-term disability.
Ma'am, you don't have to tell your business. You don't have to tell you. All right. You keep that to yourself. She's got a valid driver's license. What I'm going to do is I'm going to give you an opportunity to bring in some valid insurance. All right.
Okay.
When will you have that?
Give me at least, well, my surgery is Monday. I'm gonna be out for a month. Give me at least 2 weeks and I can go to LA Insurance right there on Beach Day and Joy Road, the same place I get my tags at. So middle of April.
Yeah, you tell too much of your business now.
I'm sorry. I'm sorry.
All I ask you to do is when you can have it. Come back in 30 days with some valid insurance, all right?
I'll have it.
4/24/2023 at 8, all right?
Yes, Your Honor.
And valid registration, and keep the driver's license valid as well.
Yes, sir.
If there's nothing further, ma'am, have a very good day. I wish you the best of luck on your surgery. And,
thank you so much.
It's gonna be a success, all right?
Thank you.
All right.
Bye-bye.
All right, this, you have someone outside?
Mr. Ledbetter and Sam Bazal, I believe. I guess.
Yeah, Mr. Yeah, Kimberly.
Yeah. I
Yeah,
thought it was the
that's
female, Mr. Duke.
Luna. Are we ready on anybody, Mr. Bachman?
Yes, Your Honor, we are ready for.
Let's go back on the record with Mr. Devin Latrell Graham. Mr. Graham, I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel in the breakout room. Counselor, what's your client want to do?
Couple of things, Your Honor. The instant case, the reckless driving case, as in warrant status, I believe the court has already set aside that warrant. And we're asking that the matter be set for a waiver trial by Zoom. And we also ask permission, Your Honor, if you would allow the defendant to pay the $45 reinstatement fee so that he can return with a valid driver's license. In addition, there is also a case that is in default, which we are asking the court to set.
You went inaudible.
Can you hear me now?
I can hear you now.
What's the last thing you heard?
I said you said you wanted to see if the court would allow him to pay the statement fee up front. You said in addition, he has some other issues.
Yeah, he has a matter in default. It was defaulted in 2022. It's recent enough.
You're going inaudible again.
It's when you turn your head, speaking, Mr. Hoffman.
I get it. Thank you. So he has a matter in default. It is on the roster as a 22 case. Don't have the exact case number, but I can get it, Your Honor. Would you set aside the default in that case? Set both of those matters for trial, please, and thank you, and allow the defendant to pay the reinstatement fee only on the instant case, the reckless driving.
We have a new city attorney. I'll let her, allow her, Ms. Schneider, to give me.
That's wrong.
Okay, I'm gonna, on the default part, I'm gonna set aside the default. And Ms. Schneider.
Yes, Your Honor.
Unless you have some objection, most of the stuff that happened during the pandemic and forward, I generally find good cause to set that aside. But in particular,
I have no objection, Your Honor.
Yeah, but in particular, what I'm looking at and what I've noticed, and it's pervasive, is that this ticket here was the allegation was made on February 12, 2022. And if you read the back of the tickets, they say, make a court date in 14 days. Well, the ticket never hit our system until May the 11th, 2022. So it's almost like even if they call for weeks and it would have never been in there. So I'm gonna set aside, we'll set a trial date. I'll allow him to pay the reinstatement fee up front if he owes that on the, if that's what's bothering him for that.
It does. Thank you, Your Honor.
Okay, Mr. Graham, pay that $45 reinstatement fee on 217-036-221. And that way you can potentially get a valid driver's license. Take that, it's up to you whether you want to take that defensive driving course, but it probably certainly mitigate things. Furthermore, are you there? Furthermore, I'll set a trial date on May the 25th, 2023 at 9 a.m. All right?
Okay, I'm writing it down.
May the 25th, 2023, 9 a.m. If you don't have any further questions, you're free to leave. And good luck to you. Have a very good rest of the day. All right? All right. Ms. Robinson, good morning to you.
Good morning, Your Honor.
Let's get Ledbetter in here. Who do you have, Ms. Robinson? Who's your client?
Eris Langley, Your Honor.
Langley?
Yes, Judge.
Langley. All right.
Eris.
Hello. Yep.
All right. This is the city of Detroit versus Arius Devon Langley, case number SP107-1288, counts 1. SP 107-13011, SP 11-82176, counts 1 and counts 2. SP 133-241, counts 1 and counts 2. SP 133-2470. C8-6461, appearance for the record, please.
Good morning, if it may please the court. Sarah Robinson, P63181 for Ms. Eris Langley, who's present via Zoom.
Ms. Langley, can you state your name for the record, please?
Eris Langley.
All right, where are you, Ms. Langley? Let's turn your camera on, please. All right, where are we at with this case, counselor?
Judge, where we're at is I did make a discovery request. The discovery is still incomplete. I do not have body worn camera for the field sobriety test. I also do not have data master results if that was done by the police, which is important for this case, for the operating while intoxicated.
All right, I don't have the file in front of me. I think this has been here different times. I have a new city attorney, and Ms. Schneider, who is on the line. Can you put your appearance on the record, please, Ms. Schneider?
Good morning, Your Honor. Alexa Schneider for the people, P80322.
Very well. Well, first of all, we don't even have the file. I don't know where these files are. But Ms. Langley has been here, and maybe give us some background, give Ms. Schneider some background, Ms. Robinson.
Yes, Your Honor. This is a case, it's an OWI, and I made a discovery request, and I have some of the footage. I have dash cam footage where the officers pull my client over. However, I don't know if the field sobriety tests were done, but if they were done out of the view of the camera. I only have one body worn camera. I do not have, there were 4 officers on scene. So I would like complete discovery, and I understand there was a PBT done, but as far as data master results, I don't have those, and I'm requesting those.
Ms. Schneider.
Thank you, Your Honor. As you stated, I am newly assigned to this courtroom. I'm not familiar with Sister Counsel's previous request. I was listening. I just chatted her my email. I would ask her if she can just email me that request so I don't lose it in the, the busyness of this morning. I could get that to her as soon as possible.
Thank you.
What times have we been here? How old is, let's see how old this case is. Going back to April the 21st, April the 10th at least, the offense date. And if the policy is being adhered to by the Detroit Police Department, then you probably got what you got as far as camera evidence, audio, video, camera evidence.
Judge, I don't know that to be the case. If I got body worn camera from one officer, I would believe I should get it from the other officer, the partner. And
yeah, I agree. I'm not saying that it's right. I'm not saying it. I'm just saying what I have heard the policy to be the policy is to on the misdemeanor matters, if Ms. Schneider maybe have some more information that they're not retaining that stuff past 90 days.
It's recently been extended, Your Honor. I don't know exactly how long they're keeping them, but some videos they are keeping. I could probably find out pretty fast if she could send me the name of the officers, and I can look it up really quick and see if we might have it. I can check with our paralegal.
Okay. In the meantime, let's do. What about testing and stuff? Has Ms. Langley been testing?
The court ordered that testing could cease,
Okay.
because if the court wants me to go into more of a recap, I can.
I don't need you to go into more detail. Let's get another date and let's get this moving along. What do we want to do? Another pretrial, or we just want to set this for trial? What do we want to do, Ms. Robinson?
Another pretrial, judge, because I just want to see the field sobriety test and the data master, and then Ms. Langley can make her decision after that.
Okay, very well. I'm going to give you till April the 24th, 2023 for pretrial, all right?
Yes, Your Honor.
I'll continue all the conditions of bond that were in place at the last hearing. I'll continue those conditions, all right?
Thank you.
All right, it's nothing further. You and your client, Ms. Langley, have a very good day. And I'll see you soon, Ms. Robinson, I'm sure.
Thank you, Your Honor. Have a good weekend.
You as well. All right, Aaron Luna.
Is he on the docket?
I don't know, Ms. Snyder, if you want, we can get some of these officers on their way. I think I have Ledbetter. Ledbetter, the officer didn't show. What about Al Bazal? That's Miss Harris's case.
Yes, I believe she mentioned he might be there in person.
I think he is.
Maybe out of the work with some people out there waiting. They don't have enough deputies right now to. So I know Ledbetter's out there, and I forget the other name. What about Gregory Gould? Is he here? What about Lewis Fuller? Darlene Lewis Fuller. And then India Lorick.
Yes, India is here.
India Lorick is here. All right,
yes.
I don't believe that we have any officers for India Lorick, so let's. This is the city of Detroit and the state of Michigan versus India Lorick, case number SX 2050481 and 15-95331. Appearance for the record, please.
Good morning.
Paul Faulkner representing the defendant, Your Honor.
I figured Mr. Faulkner would jump in there on this dismissal.
Oh, I didn't even know that, Your Honor. It was coincidence.
Ms. Lorick, state your name for the record, please.
India Lorick.
All right, today is the date and time set for a trial in the matters. I kind of gave it away.
I would figure it out.
Is there a Trooper Kemp, or Officer Eugene Williams? Hearing no response, you want to make a motion, Counselor?
Motion to dismiss, Your Honor. No officer.
Very well. I'm going to grant the motion to dismiss and dismiss those cases. Ma'am, you still, I'll waive the warrant fee. You'll still be responsible for the reinstatement fees. And you still owe the court quite a bit of money on these old civil infractions, all right?
I've been down there, Your Honor. I have paid several fees, and I did receive my driver's license. Now, I don't know what else is it that I need to pay after that.
Well, you owe the money that you owe. So I know that you got a driver's license. Congratulations on that. You still owe the money. And I know that I've seen people, the court still wants their money. So you'll be able to look in the system and see what you owe. I know that the court has been putting these matters in collections as well, so. But I'll leave that up to you. All right, Ms. Lord, these matters that I called today are gonna be dismissed. Waive the warrant fee, you'll be responsible to reinstate the fee. If there's nothing further, ma'am, you have a very good day. Good luck to you, okay?
Thank you, you too.
Thank you. Let's go with Aaron Luna. I don't see him on the docket, or let's skip that one, because he can't hear me anyway.
But he's not on the docket, that's
Yeah, I
true.
can't even ask. Gaskin, Azuri, Gaskin.
I'm here.
Did I get the pronunciation right, ma'am?
Not really. It's Azire.
Azire, okay.
Yeah.
Give it to me. I'm gonna get it right. All right. This is the city of Detroit versus Azire Marie Anthony Gas. Case number SP 14304031. Appearance for the record, please.
Paul Fung, the representative defendant, Your Honor.
Ms. Gaskin, can you state your name for the record, please?
Azire Gaskin.
Okay, ma'am, do you have valid insurance?
Yes.
Can you show the court the valid insurance, please?
They had emailed it from I got here. So they emailed it and I'm waiting on the piece of paper in the mail. But I already got my tags and stuff because my birthday is Sunday.
All right, did you email me that from Cure?
Yes.
And
what email? Huh?
What email address did you send it from?
My first name at gmail.com.
I don't see your name on here.
I haven't sent it there. I don't have an email to send it to you, but I can email it to you.
All right, email it to me. I'm gonna put my email address in the chat, okay?
Okay.
And you're gonna email me that now?
Yes, I can email it to you now. So you said put it in the chat.
Oh, no, I haven't gotten it there yet.
Okay.
Should be there now.
I got it.
All right, I'm gonna pass the matter. Wait on that email, all right?
Okay.
Where's Larry David?
Copy
Is Larry David here? Okay. What about
Yes,
Larry David?
yes,
How is this? This is Lawrence Osborne.
yes, sir.
You changed your name?
Yes, Lawrence is Larry, so I had to change. I had,
And then Osborne is not David, is it?
David is my middle name.
Oh, okay.
Mhm.
I got it. All right. That makes more sense. Then are you a junior?
Yes, sir.
Let's turn your camera on, sir, so I can see who I'm talking to. All right. Are you there?
Yes.
I need your camera on, sir.
Okay, I'm trying to figure that out. I thought I was on.
I don't see him on the docket anyway.
I can't find it.
He was arraigned. He missed the day. Seems like you missed a lot of dates.
Yeah, I've been in the hospital, due to diabetes, a new case of diabetes in my life, so I didn't, yeah.
Well,
didn't
I
get it.
respect the
I'm
fact
sorry,
that
sir.
you've been in the hospital, but I'm talking about cases going all the way back to 2012.
Yes, sir, I got that, taken care of, last year, sir.
No, you didn't. It's still in warrant status.
Okay.
All right, this is the city of Detroit versus, what's your date of birth?
9/6/86.
All right, city of Detroit versus Lawrence David Osborne Jr. Case number SP 9674091.
Yes, correct.
SP 1228589, counts 1 and 2. SP 1395691. U 79552711. Twelve 485285, counts 1 and counts 2. 13 5013131 and 53, strike that, and 1350131 counts 2 and counts 3. 17 382974, counts 1 and counts 2. Appearance for the record, please.
Paul Phone on behalf of the defendant. What was the last name of the defendant, Your Honor?
Osborne. Osborne. Is that correct, Mr. Osborne?
Yes, sir.
Can't find
Lawrence
it.
Davis. No, he's not on the dock.
Oh, okay.
He says he's dealing with the issues with medical issues. Let's arraign him, get him a pretrial date. Let's go straight to trial on this one.
I agree.
For purposes of arraignment, Counselor,
Stand, waive formal reading, stand mute, Your Honor.
enter a not guilty plea on your client's behalf, give your client a $0 bond. I'm gonna just set a trial date. A lot of these matters will be probably adjudicated because of the age. And then we'll give you a trial date of May the 25th, 2023, sir, all right? At 9 a.m. I need you to have a camera on that day as well, all right?
All right.
All right, if there's nothing further, have a very good day, sir. Good luck to you.
Thank you.
Okay, on that iPhone 2, can you turn your audio on? Your camera is already on. And state your name, please. iPhone 2. Is that iPhone 2? The gentleman there? Yes. What's your name, sir? With the goatee and the bald head. Unmute yourself, please.
Deontay Granger.
Say that again.
Deontay Granger.
Leontay?
Yes, Deontay. D-A-N-T. Last name Granger. Granger.
Granger, right?
Yes.
See Granger on here?
Yes, in the middle of page 2, Deontay Granger.
Deontay Granger, I got you. All right. I gotta get Mr. Let's get Mr. Granger, Deontay Granger's file, please.
Here he is.
Marcel Granger?
Yes.
All right, very well. This is the city of Detroit versus Deontay Marcel Granger, case number SP 104-4110. Count 1. SP 132-3495, counts 1, 2, and 3. SP 132-3496-1. SP 1325-4801. SP 742-5181. Appearance for the record, please.
Good morning,
Oh.
Harry Bachman for the defendant. Mr. Granger, state your name for the record.
Deontay Granger.
Thank you. The matter's here for show cause. The defendant missed last action date. He's here in person, so we're asking that the court enter a not guilty plea for arraignment purposes today. And
all right, what we'll do is give him a $0 bond. Mr. Granger, have you ever had a driver's license before?
Yes.
Do you have any tickets in any other jurisdictions?
No.
All right, you want to try to get a driver's license, sir?
Yeah. Yes, I have to pay a few fines there, and I'll be able to get it.
You have, there's no insurance proof that I will allow you to pay the reinstatement fee up front.
Okay.
And you can potentially get a valid driver's license, but I know this is gonna hold you up here at the 36th District Court, so I'm gonna allow you to pay that reinstatement fee up front.
Okay.
What you're gonna have to do is you're gonna have to bring $45 down. You have an ink pen, sir?
Yes, 1 second, please.
Good morning.
Okay, I'm ready.
You ready?
Yes.
All right. SP 132-3492. SP 132-3492. You got that?
Yes.
All right. You're gonna have to come down here to the courthouse and pay that $45 reinstatement fee up front. It should be the cashier. It should be listed on in the system that you can pay that up front. You wait 48 to 72 hours from that point, and you go to the Secretary of State and see if you can get a valid license. All right.
Okay.
Your Honor, I believe, forgive me for interrupting, I believe you misstated the case number. I believe the correct number, and I put it in the chat to you, sir, is SP 132-4.
You went off again, Mr. Every time you turn your head.
I'm gonna look right here. SP 132-34952.
Right, correct. See how you got good lawyers in here catching that. I don't know why Mr. Parkman didn't catch that. But.
I wanted Harry to get all the glory, so.
Excuse me, sir, could you tell me that again?
Yes, SP 132-349-4801. 5-2. I missed the 5. 5-2 at the end.
Okay, thanks.
That's the no proof of insurance. You pay that $45 reinstatement fee. The cases will still be open, but you'll at least be able to go get a driver's license during the pendency of them, all right?
Okay.
All right, come back on April the 24th, 2023 at 8:30 a.m. And we'll see if we can get you an offer, or you can set a trial, or you can find out from the lawyer how you want to proceed, all right?
All right, no, I come to the courtroom or do this Zoom call?
You come to the Zoom room. You can come to the courtroom if you want to too, but you can do it on Zoom. But you're gonna have to come down to the courthouse and come to the cashier in person to pay that $45.
Okay.
And that's gonna free your license up.
All right.
At least as it relates to the 36th District Court.
Okay.
All right? Do you have any further questions, sir?
No.
All right, if there's nothing further, you have a very good day. Good luck to you, all right?
All right. Thanks.
Thank you. All right, on the iPhone, there's another iPhone on here. Can you unmute yourself and turn your camera on and state your name, please? And then we have Mr. DiMaggio.
Yes, sir.
Good morning to you.
Good morning, Judge.
You should have said something a long time ago. I meant to call you a long time ago. I know it doesn't do anything good now, but who's your client?
My client is Gregory Gold. I don't think he's appeared. Is that correct?
I haven't seen him. Gregory Gold? Not unless he's on that iPhone. And there's another iPhone that I'm gonna admit right now. I try to get the iPhones so they don't get mixed up. All right, we'll wait. See if you can find that. On the iPhone, there it is. They unmuted themselves. What's your name, please? On the iPhone.
I think you're talking about me. My name is Daniel Lowe.
Daniel Love.
Lowe, L-O-W-E.
Okay, Daniel Lowe, L-O-W-E. All right, good morning to you.
Morning.
We have another iPhone that needs to connect, so we'll give them that opportunity. Lowe. I don't see Lowe on the docket.
Was it Lawrence Lowe? Lawrence Lowe? He's 845.
No, Daniel Lee Lowe.
Oh,
Daniel
okay,
Lee
different
Lowe.
Lowe.
Judge, I don't know
Daniel.
if I was late, but my name is Joseph Lee.
Joseph Lee. Okay. Good morning to you.
How you doing?
You are late, but that's okay. All right. Daniel Lee Lowe. City of Detroit versus Daniel Lee Lowe. Case number SP 123-21141. Appearance for the record, please.
Paul Faulkner representing the defendant. Your name, sir? Mr. Lowe?
Daniel Lowe.
Today is the date and time set for a show cause. Go ahead, Counselor.
Your Honor, wait for Marine, stand mute.
Enter a not guilty plea in your client's behalf. Give your client a $0 bond. Do you have a valid license, Mr. Lowe?
Yes, I do.
Run his license, please, Madam Clerk. Okay, let's pass that matter. I'm gonna get the license. And let's go back on the record with Miss Gaskin. I have valid insurance. Cure apparently cured her problem. I guess I'm the only one in the city that Cure can't cure it. My problem. I don't know why. I don't know. Madam Schneider?
Yes, Ron.
Any opposition for me dismissing this case for valid documentation?
Of course not. Thank you, Your Honor.
Very well. I'm gonna dismiss the case, Ms. Gaskin.
Okay.
For cure. Maybe I need some representation. Give me a good deal on cure, huh?
Yeah, you gotta
All right.
have a good license.
I got a good license. I got pulled over the other day and the officer didn't even give me a ticket because I had a good license.
Oh yeah, that feels good. I know.
You didn't have a
All right.
sign, I'm a judge in the car?
No, I didn't do that. No. Those ones end up on the news.
Yes, they do.
No one go there.
I didn't do that. That's a thing. All right. Ms. Gaskin, have a very good day. Good luck to you and have a good weekend.
Thank you.
All right.
Bye-bye.
This is Miss Harris. I think we have your client, Mr. Al Bazal. And this is Mr. Bazal. He goes in and out of his English, you know, it varies from time to time. You know that, right? Do you need an interpreter?
I know that.
You need an interpreter. So every time you come.
We may not, Your Honor.
Well, Officer Bennett is here.
Is that the officer on our ticket? Because I had 2 U
Well, we got
tickets.
Officer Bennett and, well, Officer Bennett is no longer here. I don't know where he went. But we have Officer Bennett and we have no Officer Harris. So the Officer Bennett had improper plate and a no insurance misdemeanor. And Harris, you already know what Harris has.
I don't. These are not the tickets that I have. My appointment reflects 2 U tickets.
Yeah, that's Harris.
I
And
think
Harris is not here. Go ahead.
I think the Harris is Attorney Harris. Sometimes when they have retained, it'll put the attorney.
Yeah, oh, yeah. But anyway, I don't think that officer showed.
I don't believe they did either.
Okay, it's 2 U tickets, correct?
Right, and then it's 2 other misdemeanors that you probably don't have, improper plates and insurance.
Okay, so I may need an interpreter for that to ask, because for all intents and purposes, the only thing we've been discussing are the U tickets.
Very well.
I have no objection to an adjournment.
For the other 2 tickets? Because I'm sure that Ms. Harris is going to ask for dismissal on the U tickets.
I'm sure she will. Sure.
Absolutely.
I did see Corporal Bennett come in here, but he obviously didn't speak to you, right, Counselor?
I spoke to Corporal Bennett, but I don't believe he spoke to Attorney Harris.
What was the offer?
It would have been an improper plate and dismissed the no insurance.
All right, Mr. Al Bazal. Let's see if we go. The tickets, the 2 tickets will be dismissed, no officer. The other 2 tickets, the no insurance and the improper plate on this vehicle, they're going to offer you an improper plate. I'll fine you $240 and dismiss after you pay. You understand that? You want to take that deal, sir? You'll pay the $240? When can you pay the $240? Let's call the case.
Can I ask him, does he have anything, and was it his car?
Was it your car, sir?
No. We gotta just put the letter for the copy for the customer.
Let's see what he's got.
He asked me before.
Oh, this is the title. I don't need, and this is a customer car or something? Let's see if the title matches. Where's the file? Is up here? Al was up. Al there. Problem is, I don't even have any actual tickets here. But on the title is a 2006 Honda that matches the ROA. He claims, Ms. Schneider, that it's a customer car. This is a Khalid AZIZ. Why you should give that back? Do you have a phone, sir? Cell phone? Can you go out to the car and get your cell phone? And then you can zoom in and talk to the lawyer, all right?
Oh, okay, so you can zoom in and talk to the I don't know how to do it.
He knows how to do it. He's been on here a couple times.
My daughter should do it, that's not.
Oh, come on, bring the phone in and we'll help you. What's your
Thank you,
name,
Your
sir?
Honor.
Ledbetter. All right. We can proceed with Ledbetter.
Yeah.
Wasn't that Laura?
Maybe a Lord.
You need a Laura?
This right here.
Yeah, I think so.
Oh, he said he had been in the way.
I didn't see him in the waiting room. Huh?
He said he knew me on the phone.
I got a Jeremy locked in the waiting room.
So you show me my phone, 434, right?
Ledbetter. Kimberly Ledbetter?
Yes, sir.
Very well.
Okay, that's fine.
All right.
That's what we already see it. Yes.
All right, let's go. This is the city of Detroit. Stand up at that. This is the city of Detroit versus Kimberly Mark Ledbetter. Case numbers SP 134-4227, counts 1, 2, and 3, and SP 134-42341. Appearance for the record, please.
Paul, they're retained, John, or?
No, I don't believe it's retained.
Well, okay, I'm Paul Faulkner, representing Mr. Ledbetter.
Okay, Mr. Ledbetter, can you state your name for the record, please?
Kimberly Mark Ledbetter.
Are you get that, Miss Williams Law?
I'm sorry, what's the first name?
Kimberly.
Okay.
Mark Ledbetter. All right, today is the date and time set for a trial in the matter. And there's no Officer Darling.
Motion to dismiss, Your Honor.
He likes those. He just goes off the time.
Jump right in.
He just goes all the time. All right, hearing no response and have not seen that officer join the room, we're gonna dismiss your cases, Mr. Ledbetter.
Okay, thank you, Your Honor.
Nothing further.
All right.
Have a great day, sir.
You too, sir.
All right. All right, that brings me down to Shanita Owen.
I'm here.
Where is Miss Owen?
I'm here. I just dropped my phone. I'm sorry.
Well, let me do this. Let me go back on the record with Mr. Daniel Lee Lowe. Mr. Lowe, you have a valid driver's license. So we'll give you a one-time deal here, sir, and we'll dismiss the case for providing valid documentation.
Okay.
All right, if there's nothing further, sir, Have a very good day. Good luck to you.
All right. Okay.
All right. Now, Ms. Owens,
Yes, I'm here.
better hurry up and call it before I let somebody else jump in front of you again. Let's see. Owens. City of Detroit versus Shanita Owens, case number SP 1256595, counts 1 and counts 2. SP 1256811. Appearance for the record, please.
Paul Fung, the representative defendant, Your Honor. Your name, ma'am?
Miss Owens?
Shantia Owens.
Shantia, I'm sorry.
It's
All right,
okay.
today is time set for a rain on the bench board. Go ahead, Counselor.
Your Honor, wait for my reading. Stand mute. There's only one case listed on the docket.
Well, the other two, she has in payment mode and a payment agreement worked out. And really, she's probably lucky she hasn't finished paying because she started paying the 31 over the speed limit, which I have to say, 31 mile an hour over the speed limit. I don't. Do you have a valid license, ma'am?
Yes, I do.
Run her driver's license, please. Have I? It seems like I've seen you before.
I've been here before.
And what happened to you last time at the court date? You missed the date?
I'm sorry.
You missed your court date?
Yeah, I work minutes.
So
I didn't.
let me figure this out. When people usually say they work midnights, that means that you came home, went to sleep.
Well, I tried to stay up. I get off at 5 in the morning, and I didn't hear my alarm or nothing. I overslept.
Can we talk about this 31 mile an hour over the speed limit?
Sure.
And we offered you an opportunity to take a defensive driving course.
Yes.
Did you take it?
No.
All right. Well, obviously you don't want any consideration. It's not important to you. Okay, Ms. Schneider, can you put your appearance on the record, please?
Good morning, Your Honor. Alexa Schneider for the people, P80322.
I have Ms. Owens here, and she was here before. We gave her opportunity to take the class. She indicated that she didn't take the class. 31 miles an hour over the speed limit. And 4-point offense. She does have a valid driver's license. What do you want to do? And no valid registration. Do you have valid registration for this vehicle, ma'am?
Yes, Your Honor, I think I made a mistake. I did take that online. The class, it was like 60 something bucks.
Did you send it to me?
I believe so. Because I planned on coming to court, but like I said, I overslept.
Hey, look who's here.
Good morning.
Morning. I don't have it now.
Good morning.
Atlas, what name would you have sent it from? What email address would you have sent it from?
Shantia Owens 2@gmail.
Give me an opportunity to give me that that letter here if you want to take that opportunity to do so.
Sure. Yeah, I remember doing the courses. It was like 14 different chapters.
I'm gonna put my, I'm gonna put the, well, I'm gonna put the, my email address in the chat. It's already there. I'll repopulate it so that you can, try and get me, and I can, put that in your file and see if that, the city attorney will give you any consideration on that, all right?
Okay.
All right, I'm gonna pass the matter, check the email address, send me the certificate, and then we will, move from there. All right. This is the city of Detroit versus, oh, let me put it in a breakout room with him,
Okay.
Miss- no, I'm not talking to you, Ms. Owens. I'm talking to Ms. Harris. Ms. Alvis, Mr. Alvizal got on. Put you in a breakout room with them. And let us know if you need an interpreter. All right. Let's go with Anita Lewis is gone. Glover. Gabriel Glover.
Good morning.
Good morning. All right, Amanda, Gabriel Amanda Glover.
Correct.
City of Detroit. Versus Gabriel Amanda Glover, case number SP 1279480, counts 1, 2, and 3. SP 1279481, SP 127949881, SP 1405280, counts 1, 2, and 3. SP 1405281, counts 1 and counts 2. 205 10041. Appearance for record, please.
May it please the court, Harry Bachman on behalf of the defendant. State your name, please, ma'am.
Gabrielle Glover.
Thank you. As to those matters for which the defendant appears today, we will waive a formal reading, and stand mute, Your Honor.
I will enter a not guilty plea on your client's behalf, give your client a $0 bond. I will set aside the defaults on the first 4 cases I call. This is a matter of, I don't know if you've ever had a driver's license now, but have you?
I haven't. I'm trying to obtain it now. Also complete my expungement, and I can't do so without completing all of these tickets.
This driver's license here, I can let you pay the reinstatement fee up front on SP 1279481. That will potentially free you up for a driver's license if you come down and pay that $45 reinstatement fee.
I'm sorry, can you say the case number again for that? I know it ended in 9411. Or is that all I need?
SP 1279481.
Okay, thank you.
All right, you want to go and get this is your client, Mr. DiMaggio. You want to go and get bring back a valid license?
You're asking me?
Yes.
Yeah, that would be great.
All right, come down to the courthouse and let the clerk know that I allowed you to pay that reinstatement fee up front, $45. Case will still be open. I'm gonna give her a $0 bond, enter not guilty plea on his behalf as for arraignment. And then to give you a pretrial date, April the 24th, 2023 on the matters, all right?
Okay, thank you.
All right, further, you have a very good day. Good luck to you, man.
You too, thank you, Your Honor.
Mr. Gould?
Yes,
are you
sir.
there?
Yes, sir. Hello?
Hold on a second, hold on.
Okay.
You need to turn your camera on, sir. Officer Towns ever show up? I don't believe Officer Towns ever showed up. Your attorney's been waiting on you this whole time.
I'm sorry, sir. My internet, it wouldn't let me. Like my internet, my house, just something was going on with it. It would not let me get on here. I just finally AT&T just came out and let me. Pretty much got me my internet working. I apologize very much.
Mr. DiMaggio?
Yes, I would make a motion to dismiss, Your Honor.
I want to say that's a good excuse.
Yeah.
Those are some of the best excuses. The internet didn't work, you know. My phone was, not operating properly. Some people say I had to go pay my bill. Those are good excuses.
Well, I'm not trying to make an excuse, sir, and there is no excuse, and I just apologize.
Well, sir, I'm not saying that I'm not saying that you're not telling me the truth.
Yes, sir.
But it's an excuse, right? I'm just acknowledging that it's a good excuse.
Yeah, yes, sir. It is an excuse, and I'm sorry. I'm not trying to make excuses because there is no excuse, sir.
Mr. DiMaggio, I think he's taking it too seriously. This is the city of
Lighten up.
All right.
Just like me, I take everything too serious, China.
Oh, yeah, right. I don't know about that.
Well, I have respect for you, Your Honor. You know what I'm saying? This is not my first time in front of a judge, and you guys deserve the respect that you get. And, I don't mean to come off as disrespectful. That's all.
No, I appreciate that, sir, but absolutely, I wasn't saying that you were in any way disrespectful at all, sir.
Okay.
This is the city of Detroit versus Gregory Michael Gould, case number SP 1287351. Appearance for the record, please.
Paul Faulkner representing the defendant, China.
Now he's trying to get into your action, Mr. DiMaggio.
Yeah, I was appointed by Ruth Carter on this case, Judge.
He wants all the dismissals, though. Mr. Faulkner does.
Well,
I liked him too when I was practicing. Any way I can get him.
But I like Paul though.
Yeah.
I love Paul. I love Paul.
Yeah.
State your name. Put your appearance on the record, please.
My name is Gregory. Oh.
Go on,
Gregory Michael Gould.
Andrew DiMaggio, P45619 on behalf of Mr. Gould.
All right. Today is the date and time set for a trial in the matter. Is there Officer Towns? Officer Towns, having not heard or seen that person join the room, you want to make a motion, Counselor?
Motion to dismiss, Your Honor.
All right. Do that. Hurry up and get that in before Mr. Faulkner makes it for you.
Right.
I think he already did. All right. I'm going to grant the motion to dismiss Mr. Gould. If there's no further questions, sir, you have a very good day and good luck to you. All right. Case is closed.
Thank you very much, Your Honor. You have a great day.
All right.
Take care.
All right, Mr. DiMaggio. Have a good one. I'll see you next time.
Thanks for being patient with Mr. Gould. Thank you.
All right. Who's on the phone at 358-9091? Press *6 to unmute yourself, please. All right, what about Miss Harris? Miss Harris, you there?
Ready?
You're ready?
We're going to dismiss, Your Honor.
Do we need an interpreter? You say that again now?
We're going to dismiss, Your Honor.
All right. He doesn't need an interpreter anymore.
I don't believe so.
He needed one every single time when we were here before. But when you hear those words dismiss, that translates to every language in the world, doesn't it?
It sure does.
Let's call the case. Come on, Mr. Albazal. Mr. Albazal. This is the city of Detroit versus Hassan Hussein Albazal. Case number SP 1132492, counts 1 and counts 2. U6171342-1 and U629-06522. Appearance for the record, please.
Sister Schneider for the people, P80322.
Good morning, Your Honor. Good morning to your staff. May it please this honorable court, Sherika Harris, P72832, on behalf of Mr. Albazal, who is present in the courtroom, physically present in the courtroom. Could you state your name, sir?
Hassan Albazal.
Outside voice, please.
Hassan Albazal.
Today is the date and time set for a trial in the matter. How's your wife, Mr. Albazal?
I'm sorry.
How's your wife?
It's good.
You good? Go ahead, counselor.
Your Honor, with regards to the two cases with the prefix that begin with the prefix U, defense is moving to dismiss. Complaining witnesses have failed to appear. With regards to the remaining two matters, today is the date and time set for trial. Officer Bennett was present today. I believe the people are recommending a dismissal as Mr. Albazal has presented documentation both to the court and to me that the car in fact did not belong to him.
All right. SP 1132491, SP 1132492. I'm going to dismiss for providing valid documentation. I noted the file that Officer Bennett was here. And then the other U tickets are going to dismiss for no officer. U6171341, U629-06522. All right.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Pay the warrant fees. Nothing further, Mr. Albazal. Have a very good day. Good luck to you.
Thanks so much.
Thank you. Have a great day, everyone.
Thank you.
Bye, Ms. Harris.
Bye, Mr. Faulkner. It was good to see you. Bye, Mr. Hoffman.
Goodbye.
You see that, Mr. Harris? Have a good day. All right, Mr. Joseph Lee.
Yeah.
What's happened to Miss Owens? Oh, let me see if Miss Owens got me the documentation. Not yet. All right, let's go with Mr. Joseph Lee. What's your middle name, sir, if you have one?
I gotta say it.
Well, to help me find out who you are.
Herman.
Herman? What's wrong with that?
Oh no, I don't like my middle name.
I can tell you. You said you got to say it. I don't see it being all that bad.
It's just an old name, like just fat person name or something.
Uh-oh.
Luckily, Attorney Griffin isn't here. That'd be.
Huh?
Let's say Attorney Herman Griffin. Luckily, he's not House Counsel today.
Oh yeah, right. And then he's throwing shade on the fat people.
No, I just think like that, like Sherman and Herman and like, Professor Clump and stuff like that.
I resent it on behalf of the fat people, Your Honor.
Me too. Herman, let's see. Here we go. All right. All right. This is the city of Detroit versus Joseph Herman Lee. Case numbers SP 1. Get that. S14. What'd you say, sir? SP 1408088 counts 1 and counts 2. SP 1408090 counts 1, 2, and 3. Appearance for the record, Mr. Lee. Appearance for the record, Mr. Faulkner.
Paul Faulkner, representing the defendant. Your name, sir?
Joseph Herman Lee.
All right, today is the date and time set for the arraignment, except for the arraignment is at 1:30. Mr. Lee is early, but we will arraign him. $0 bond, not guilty plea, right, Mr. Faulkner?
Yes, Your Honor.
Mr. Lee, do you have documentation for this vehicle, plates, registration, insurance?
I did have registration and stuff, but I don't have that car no more.
Do you have a vehicle, sir?
Yeah, I got a truck.
Let me see you, sir. Come on the camera. We got to talk face to face, bro. Screen to screen. All right, Mr. Lee, you have a vehicle?
Yeah.
You have registration and insurance for the vehicle?
Yeah.
Let's see what you have, sir.
You want me to walk outside and go get it?
Yeah, I have to see it.
All right, bet.
Got no plates, unregistered, untitled, no insurance, which I think is cumulative because if he doesn't have a registration, then he doesn't have a plate. And then no insurance, and then he's got a seatbelt and a defective equipment. Ms. Schneider.
I would just do one improper plate, dismiss the rest, Your Honor.
If he shows valid insurance and plates?
If he has documentation for everything, I'll dismiss. Because that would leave him just the seatbelt. I'll dismiss the seatbelt.
We'll give him something, defective equipment, $120.
Sure.
Is that okay? See?
Yes, please, Your Honor.
Yeah,
I don't know.
Let me see. Let's see what the allegation says.
I can't find it on the sheet.
All right. It says he had a cracked windshield in that vehicle. Let's see what you have, sir.
And the situation is really, I just bought this truck and I haven't switched the title over. So.
Oh, so you don't have any registration and insurance?
Yeah, I just literally bought it. It's sitting outside. Well, I got the registration and the title, bro.
But you don't have any insurance.
So, no, because I haven't did it yet. I literally just got it.
Well, you just got it this morning?
No, not this morning, this week.
This week? And the day is Friday. Listen, improper plates, $240 fine. We'll dismiss the case upon payment. We'll dismiss the other cases today if you want to.
I don't know. It's whatever y'all want me to do.
No, it's not whatever we want to do. It's your cases. Let me let you speak to Mr. Faulkner in the breakout room, all right? He can help. I'm sure. Join the room, please.
How I do that?
I'm about to send. I thought I sent it to you. There you go. Yes.
Can you check out the chat?
I checked it out.
Okay. Is that okay?
We're gonna try to be gone.
Okay, I love it. I love it.
Yeah, he's in here. He has to turn his camera on and stuff. He has to connect his audio.
He said your audio isn't connected.
Oh, we got to keep coming in.
You had dialed in on top.
Is he at 313-589? 358? 90991.
What number did you, what's the number?
Gentry,
Yes.
good morning to you, sir. What makes you so late?
I'm sorry. I thought it was at 10:30, like my last court appointment. I just looked to see it was at 8:30. I'm sorry.
Court, you got it.
9091. Okay.
That's him on that phone?
Yes,
Yeah,
909.
he needs to press star 6 to unmute
He
himself.
said press star 6 to unmute.
Oh.
City of Detroit versus Jamal Gentry.
Press star 6.
Case number SP 143-169-2. Counts 1, 2, and 3. Appearance for the record, please.
Harry Bachman for the defendant. Mr. Gentry, state your full name for the record, please.
Jamal Gentry.
Thank you.
Today is the date and time set for pre-trial. Mr. Gentry, do you have valid registration and insurance?
Yes, sir.
Let's see what you have, sir, please.
Okay. I'm trying to put my camera on. Hold on 1 second.
All right, we're gonna need that.
Every time I hit start video, it's saying unable. Okay, let me go back.
Ms. Schneider, let's go off the record.
Yes, sir.
We have a motion hearing on Monday at 10 o'clock with Mr. Walling, Philip X. Walling, on one of these offer to engages. I don't know if you're going to argue that or not.
I'm sure I will, Your Honor. I wasn't aware of the motion. Do you know has anyone responded?
Yes. So I just want to make you aware of that so that you kind of apprised. Maybe you might want to look into it a little bit further. It's just, I don't know. Just let me know. Just wanted to give you a heads up. Ask Mr. Goss. I'm going to try to figure out that person's name. We'll get the name for you.
Thank you, Your Honor. I think I know what motion it is.
All right. Okay, Mr. Gentry, he can't get his audio, his video connected. Let's go back to Mr. Lee. Let's go back on the record with Mr. Lee. Mr. Lee, I'm giving you an opportunity to speak with Mr. Faulkner in the breakout room. Mr. Faulkner, what's your client want to do?
Take advantage of the offer, Your Honor.
Okay, you want to do that, Mr.
Yes.
I would really like to see you get some insurance, but
I am. I swear I'm about to get all that.
When are you gonna get?
So much and good one.
When are you gonna get it?
This month. I'm on it this month. I'm getting all that. Like I said, I just got it Tuesday.
I thought he was gonna say next week or something like that. He's
No,
gonna be driving.
I gotta pay rent. I gotta pay rent next week.
He's gonna be driving this truck all month with no insurance.
No, I'm not. No. I get paid every week. I just gotta pay rent next week, so I can't use that check.
I mean, you're gonna still have to pay for this defective equipment, even if you bring it. I'm trying to save you $120.
I mean, yeah, I get it. I get it, Judge, for sure.
Bring in valid registration and insurance on April the 24th and $120, and we'll close this matter out. But it's got to be valid registration and insurance, and $120 on April the 4th, April the 24th, April the 24th.
April the 24th, I gotta have valid registration and insurance.
valid registration and insurance, and $120.
And $120.
Yes.
April 24th.
You might want to come on in and show us that information so you
I'm
can
about
pay
to, I'm about to
right.
ask you how I'm gonna show you. Me call you on Zoom and show you.
Well, you come on in and then you can make the payment right there and we can take care of it all and close it all out.
All right, what's your room number?
434, April the 24th.
434. All right. All right, I got you, Judge.
Catch the bus to work or get a ride up until then. All right.
Yes, sir.
All right. If there's nothing further, sir, have a very good day. Good luck to you. I'll see you back April 24th, 2023 at 8:30.
Okay.
All right. Ms. Owens, I still haven't gotten that information yet.
Yeah, I'm having trouble. I found a screenshot that I have that says I completed the course. I took it with my phone after I was done with it, but I don't remember my login information and stuff to get onto the site.
Let's see the screenshot. Now, was this Michigan Intensive Driving course?
Yes, sir. And they sent me something.
Let's do this. Let's go back on the record with Ms. Owens. Ms. Owens, tell me some stuff that you got out of that course.
But you can hear it on the phone anyway because we talk.
Hold on a second, sir. I'm hearing you.
Like, how long you think today?
Mr. Locke. Mr. Locke.
Yeah.
You're gonna have to be quiet, sir. I'll call your name in a minute, but I'm gonna need you to be quiet, all right?
Okay, sorry about that.
Ms. Owens, tell us what you learned out of that course. Give me something.
Like what I learned new that I didn't already know.
No, give me something. I feel that I've listened to people and they've recited things that have taken the course. I've never taken the course myself, but I feel that I know a lot of what's in the course. So give me something about that course that you learned.
Well, I paid attention to the speeding part of it when it was talking about the speeding, but it was basically about different weather like rain, snow. That's what kind of caught my attention when you need to.
But go into what about rain and snow?
With the speeding that you do in your vehicle. That's what stuck out to me.
No, you're not. You're just giving me generalized stuff. I want you to get specific in this. Okay, let me ask you this. When is the worst time to drive in the rain?
I'm not sure. When it first starts, I don't remember.
Why? And why when it first starts raining? Why is that?
Because the ground is getting wet.
We know the ground is getting wet, Ms. Owens. But why is it? Why? Okay. So what's the difference in between it's first starting and when the ground is completely wet? Why is it more dangerous when it first starts?
I can't remember what it said. It was something about the road and the pavement. I can't remember, to tell you the truth.
Okay.
Exactly.
Go ahead. What else did they say about? Let's talk about as it relates to speeding. Then, what did they say about speeding?
Well, no, it was just telling you the different speeds that you should do in different type of weather. And that's something that I never really paid attention to.
Give me something. Miss Snyder is on here looking and listening. And she's the one that's going to be making the decision on whether you eat the 4 points or whether she gives you something, offers you something less. Give me something. I'm trying to help you out. You haven't given me a proof that you've taken the course, but I'm trying to give you an opportunity to give me something that you learned.
I mean, it wasn't anything really different. It had signs. It talked about trucks and their blind spots. And you're supposed to stay.
All right, Give us what it said about trucks in the blind spot.
Well, it said that you're supposed to stay a certain amount of feet back from them, because
All
they
right, and
can't
how
see.
many feet?
I believe it was like 5. I can't remember the exact numbers.
Miss Owens, you don't even sound like you should be driving.
Wow.
This is stuff that should be basic. You're gonna just stay 5 feet from a truck? Don't you think that is important stuff?
Yes, but I don't remember the exact number.
But what I'm saying is that you're driving every day, correct?
Yes, to go to work. Yes.
Yeah, but to go to work, to do whatever you do, you gotta drive. You drive every single solitary day, right?
Yes.
And isn't it important to know the rules of the road when you're driving?
Yes.
Don't you want the other drivers around you to know the rules of the road?
Yes.
Isn't that gonna make everybody else just that much safer? Because it's already pretty dangerous driving a couple of ton vehicle when you can just press on the gas pedal and go 31 miles an hour over in a 30-mile. Do you have kids?
Yes.
Okay, so let me ask you this. If you were driving, if somebody was driving up Schoolcraft, and God forbid, your child's ball went in the street or rode bike, and as kids do, and someone hit your child going 31 miles an hour over, that would be almost inexcusable to you, wouldn't it?
Yes.
So why do you go 31 miles an hour over when somebody else's kids could be, you're putting other people in danger?
Do you want me to answer that?
I mean, I don't think it necessarily needs to answer. You catch my drift, don't you?
I understand exactly what you're saying.
This is why I do feel she took the course, because she is saying some things that are in the course. Now, the reason why, and this is something I learned from somebody bringing in the course, it's people that have gotten A+, but it's also people that haven't done so well. And I would say you're in that category. But the reason why the first 15 minutes is the unsafest time to drive when it's raining is the first 15 minutes, is because in that time, the oil that's on the road, the rain does not give the oil an opportunity to wash off. After 15 minutes or so, it gives the oil will wash away, and it makes it safer to drive in the rain, because there's not oil on the road. Do you recall hearing that?
Yeah, that was kind of what I was getting at, but I didn't remember.
I heard, that's why I kind of know you took the course. Also, do you remember them saying that your attitude before you get in the car sets the tone of how you're going to drive?
Yeah, I do remember that.
And I would say at least 100 feet away from I would say give myself 100 feet from any vehicle to stop in a timely fashion, but especially a 18-wheeler. All right, what's going to be the offer, Ms. Schneider?
Did we get confirmation, Your Honor, that she has a valid license?
Yes,
I think we did.
she has a valid license, and
Okay,
I would say, I don't know whether she has valid registration or not, but I'm gonna assume, what do you have, valid registration, ma'am?
Yes, I do. If you need me to get it, I can.
I'd be willing to dismiss those two, Your Honor. On the speeding, given it was a residential street, I'd want to take it down 2 points, down to a limited access, 11 to 15 over, and dismiss the
Well,
two.
it wasn't, Schoolcraft is, well, I guess it's part resident, Schoolcraft is kind of a main thoroughfare, but, SP 1256595. Limited access 11 to 15, ma'am. That's a 2-point offense.
Okay.
$150. You want to take the deal, ma'am?
Sure. can I ask you a question?
Sure.
Okay, it pertains to this. Now, I put the ones that I had on the payment plan. Now, what am I supposed to do about those? Because I have the money to just pay everything off.
Well, that's why I'm glad you didn't pay it off, because had you paid it all the way off, then you would have been in the situation where you would have signed yourself all 4 points.
Okay.
So now we'll apply the money that you've paid. It looks like you paid $105.
Okay.
Does that sound right?
Yeah, that's about right. Yes.
So we'll just put another $45 on that. And then pay the rest. So you'll have 2 points on your license. And I'll tell you what, you may be able to take at the Secretary of State, they may give you another opportunity to take the course in order to get those 2 points off.
Okay.
So you'll be looking for something in the mail. This time, take it more seriously and try to remember that stuff, because it's not just for the course, it's for the safety and learning how to drive correctly. All right, when you stipulate to the face of the ticket as an act of factual basis on behalf of your client, counselor?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, when you stipulate the probable cause as it relates to the dismissals?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, I'm gonna find your client responsible for the amended count of limited access, 11 of 15, and I'm gonna just put $45 on here. When you see the $45 limited access, 11 of 15, you can finish paying it, and we'll dismiss the other 2 matters. Both 2 matters out. When can you pay, ma'am?
I can get that in today or by tomorrow. Can I do it online?
You can do it online. I'm gonna give you until next week. Just make sure it gets here timely and it doesn't affect your license. Okay. So next week is gonna be March the 31st, 2023. Pay it, ma'am. We'll close the matter out. And then I would look, you're gonna get some information. I believe you'll get some information from the Secretary of State to try to avert that 2 points, but don't quote me on that, all right?
Okay.
All right, Ms. Owens, if there's nothing further, have a very good day. Good luck to you, all right?
You as well. Thank you.
Bye-bye. All right, let's hurry up. Gentry, is Gentry here?
Yes, Gentry's right here.
This is the city of Detroit versus Jamal Lee Gentry, case number SP 1431692, counts 1, 2, and 3. Appearance for the record, please.
Boston for the defendant, Mr. Gentry. Your name again, please.
Jamal Lee Gentry.
Thank you.
All right, today is the date and time set. Oh, he was here. Was this something that was let's see, Mr. Gentry. Doc. Is this was supposed to be here this afternoon? No, he's Jamal Lee Gentry. Okay, today is the date and time set for a pretrial in the matter. Do you have valid registration and insurance for this vehicle, sir?
Yes, sir.
Let's see. Do you have a shirt on?
No, I didn't, sir. I was in the bed. I'm sorry. I just woke up. I never did this Zoom before. I'm sorry. But this is my registration. Can you see it?
Let's see what you have, sir. There we go. Ms. Williams logged on. All right, push it closer, please. The registration. Closer. No, don't turn it like that. You had it turned right.
Okay.
Push it closer. 2/10/2024. Move it over to your left. Yeah. 2015. Okay, let's see what the insurance you have. All right. What is this improper equipment about?
I believe that may be my tent. I don't have any other equipment that may be looked as that.
All right, you can put some clothes on, sir.
Yes, sir.
All right, we're gonna offer your client 120 to resolve it for the tinted windows. I know it looks cool, and I know he wants to be cool, flying around and making people think he might be Tiger Woods behind the wheel or something, but it's illegal in the city of Detroit unless you have documentation that you can allow have it. You want to pay? You want to take care of this with the $120, sir?
Yes, I will do that.
All right. Will you stipulate to the face of the ticket as an act of factual basis for your client, on behalf of your client for the responsible plea?
So stipulated, Your Honor, and I also stipulate to probable cause as to matters being dismissed here today, and thank the court and the prosecutor.
Very well. I'm gonna find your client responsible for the that's charged for the improper equipment, $120, and dismiss the other two matters. Provide valid documentation. 120. When can you pay, sir?
I can pay it today, sir.
All right, I'm gonna give you until 31st to make sure it gets here. Pay it at any DivDat kiosk in the city of Detroit, or come down to the courthouse and pay it. I'm told you can upload that DivDat app to your phone, all right?
Okay, thank you so much.
There's nothing further, sir. Have a very good day. Good luck to you.
All right, thank you. Have a good day.
This is the city of Detroit versus Jermaine Carlton Locke, case number SP 140-35581. Appearance for
Paul Faulkner, representing the defendant, Your Honor. Your name, Mr. Locke?
Jermaine Carlton Locke.
Okay, today is the date and time set for arraignment. Go ahead, Counselor.
Waive the formal reading, stand mute.
I enter not guilty in your client's behalf. I'll give your client a $0 bond. You want to go straight to trial on this, Counselor, or you want to speak to him in a breakout room?
Maybe a breakout room. I'll see what he wants to do.
Not guilty?
Yeah, not guilty.
That's for a bench trial date, Your Honor.
The bench trial is going to be May the 25th, 2023 at 9 a.m., all right?
Yeah. 25th.
Come back May 25th at 9 a.m., all right?
On Zoom, or can I come in person?
You can come in person if you want.
Okay, on the 20, you said the 25th?
Of May, yes, at 9 a.m.
At 9 a.m. 25th of May. Okay, thank you. Thank you, Your Honor.
Have a good day, sir. Good luck to you.
What's the? I'll find out. What was the date?
May 25th. May 25th.
Okay, thank you, sir. Yeah.
All right, have a good day. Luna, you can't hear me.
I never found his name on the docket.
He's looking now. Connect the audio, need to sign, connect the audio.
Oh, you want to do?
I sent him a message, please connect his audio.
I sent one in Spanish.
Very good. I gotta get back on. We gotta hurry up.
I'm asking him to call court. 965, Your Honor.
2402.
Okay.
Sheriff Sydney, he's been here too long.
Is that it?
Señor Luna, ¿puedes oír? Mira,
He can't hear because he doesn't have any audio. We're gonna put up a sign for him. You speak Spanish too, Ms. Schneider?
just enough to be dangerous, Your Honor.
Does he appear to be looking at it?
He looks like he's looking at it. I don't know if he can read it.
He puts his phone number up too.
Oh, he's got somebody else to look at it, I think. Call somebody.
Oh, okay.
Probably gonna need a Spanish.
Did you ever know the Mr.
Can you get
Jeremy Lockett?
Yeah.
Judge Perkins courtroom. Judge Moore. I mean, you can come in person, but the judge makes a recommendation. So if your next court appearance is scheduled on Zoom.
I don't know. It just appears that I don't know if he's looking at it or not. It looks like he's looking at the screen. I don't know if you can read it.
Sir, will you come forward when you
Okay. I sent him, you sent him a message, I sent him a message.
Oh. Every time you come forward, I think you should-
Officer Johnson's in the room.
Sorry.
All right, it doesn't appear that he's even attempting to,
I never said I don't even call him all over. You can call him all over.
who is that?
So this is Mr. Jeremy Lockett.
We've already had his case. Huh?
Okay, so you, okay. Mr. Lockett.
Jermaine or Jeremy?
Well, we had Jermaine Locke. What does he want? What does he want?
You're gonna come in Zoom.
He can come in person.
Zoom, because we have breakout rooms and they can put you in one of them. Just you can come in person. Just come in person instead. All right, bye-bye.
Can he come in person? They're all really supposed to come in person. That's the court. rule. I mean, that's the court rule. They're supposed to come in person. Let's.
So he's not, I'm gonna take it down. See, they should have taken it.
Yeah, he's not.
Let me put the number up one time.
He sat there and looked at the number right there.
The Spanish message, maybe this really weak to type it up.
I need to get my Spanish.
There's two judges, Your Honor, that require every trial to be live, in courtroom.
Yeah, it really, really, I'm supposed to put on the record why they're not in person.
So this House counsel is gonna be all screwed up to You give one house counsel how you're gonna do a trial.
Yeah. Yes. For Edward Tapia, Tevin James Lewis. Let's call it City of Detroit versus Edward Tapia, Eduardo Tapia, case number SP 142534661. Time for steps for review. They paid their matter, so we're going to dismiss the case. City of Detroit versus Tatum Ashley Lee, SP 135084551.
Your Honor, if you're, I can't hear the cases that you're calling.
Oh,
I got Tapia dismissed for paying, and what was the next one?
Tatum Ashley Lee, SP 135084551. We'll dismiss that. We'll dismiss that for paying, and then we'll also we'll just Tevin James Lewis, SP 1373913. We'll dismiss that for being paid. All right. I guess we're gonna have to, I don't know what we're gonna do about this individual. We've sent him messages. Maybe I'll put them out. You have to.
Oh, Aaron Looney, is it the one that you got to send the message on Zoom? Yeah, I think Eric Looney doesn't have audio connection, so I can put the sign.
What's his name? What is, we don't have him in the.
This is Eric Looney, the one that we were sending a message to you on.
Luna, yes.
Yeah, he doesn't have audio connection.
All right. I don't see him on the system. I don't see why he's here unless we got it
Yeah,
wrong.
you're supposed to use the internet. Okay.
What's the name?
What's the difference when you say Eric Looney? What's his first name? Aaron Looney? Aaron.
AARON, right?
Spelled the normal way. AARON. Okay. So you say you could connect to, what's the last name? Florence?
Oh, I see him.
Okay, Florence.
Flores, Luna.
So you don't
Top
have
of,
connection to, right?
Mr. Guest.
Okay. Yeah. Tell
the call back Wednesday.
The judge, we're going to adjourn the thing until Wednesday. He needs the Spanish interpreter. He needs the Spanish interpreter. Okay. So we're going to adjourn his matter to Wednesday the 29th.
Mr. Guest,
Yes.
why are you so late, sir?
I had a notification set up. I didn't receive it. And right now I am being evicted, so I'm trying to move stuff out.
Mr. Johnson, Ms. Schneider. Mr. Guest is here on a, sorry to hear about your your struggle, sir. It's the city of Detroit versus Marcus Anthony Guest, case number SP 128-83381. Appearance for the record, please.
Paul Faulkner, representative defendant, Your Honor.
All right, Mr. Johnson, can you put, Officer Johnson, good morning. Can you put your appearance on the record, please?
Yes, good morning, Your Honor. Officer Robert Johnson, badge number 783, Detroit Police Department.
All right, Ms. Schneider, can you put your appearance on the record, please?
Yes, Your Honor. Alexa Schneider for the people, P 80322.
All right, this is an allowing an unlicensed driver to drive trial. Mr. Guest is here. What's gonna go on with this?
My offer, Your Honor, is a 3-month delayed sentence. I have no objection to early release upon payment or satisfaction of whatever fines Your Honor sets.
Mr. Faulkner,
Is this the trial date, Your Honor?
today is the date and time set for trial. Go ahead and speak to Mr. Guest. See what the situation is. Let him give an opportunity to speak, all right?
Yes.
Join the breakout room, please. You got a few more seconds, Miss.
A few more seconds, Your Honor. We can expect to.
Well, you might as well go ahead and do what you have to do.
Okay.
All right, go ahead and do what you have to do. We'll let them talk about it.
Your Honor, can you put me in there? I don't see it on my.
Yeah,
Nothing came up. Oh, there we go.
Marcus Guest, go join the breakout room.
yeah, it keeps bringing me back here.
Your Honor, did you say something to me?
No, you go ahead.
Okay.
Go ahead, Mr. Guest, can you get in there? I don't think it's in there.
Yeah, it's not. It keeps bringing me back.
All right, let me do it a different way.
I was there.
Yeah, let me do it a different way. Okay. It gives them an opportunity to talk. you want to join the room and talk to the lawyer, Officer Johnson? Run his driver's license. He's got a valid license. Pretty clean license too. Okay, let's go back on the record with Mr. Marcus Anthony Guest. Mr. Guest, I've given you an opportunity to speak with Mr. Faulkner. I don't know if Mr. Faulkner was a part of that conversation as well. Mr. Faulkner, what's your client want to do?
Wishes to take advantage of the offer and plead, I think it was a delayed sentence or when it's paid for the,
This is on payment of the $240, but he indicates that he's getting evicted. So
yes.
what is, what are you gonna need time-wise to come up with the money, sir?
I can have it in 30 days.
All right. All right, so we'll, $240 will dismiss upon payment. You went over his advice of rights, counselor?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, Mr. Guest, can you raise your right hand, please? Do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
Yes.
You can put your hand down, sir. Sir, do you understand the maximum possible penalty for this offense is 93 days in jail and or $500 in fines?
Yes.
You understand you have an absolute right to a trial?
Yes.
You understand by taking this offer, you're going to give up that trial right?
Yes.
Has anybody offered you anything other than what's been stated in the record?
No.
Mr. Faulkner went over to your other advice of rights, did he not? Break out room? You understood those rights?
Yes.
You have any questions about them?
No.
Let me draw your attention back to December the 7th, 2021 at around 7:29 p.m. in the city of Detroit, the area. You may not know the area. Did you on that day, around that date and time, own a 2012 Honda, sir?
Yes.
On that date and time, around that date and time, did you allow somebody to drive that Honda?
Yes.
And you allowed that person to drive that Honda knowing that person didn't have a valid driver's license?
Yes.
All right, who was that person?
It was my girlfriend.
All right, and then she don't have a girlfriend, she left you and all that, huh?
No, it got complicated. After I had surgery on my spine in November, so, and then with the housing situation, we just probably separated for a while.
When it rains, it pours, right, Mr. Guest?
Yeah.
Well, I'll leave you with this, sir. Is a quote that I always reference from Dr. Martin Luther King. And he says, the true measure of a man is not how he behaves in moments of comfort and convenience, but how he stands at times of controversy and challenges. So it appears to me that something, we can't do anything anyway. We got to do it all over again, because I keep forgetting, I got to wait on Miss Williams Law. But I can still mention that to you, sir. It's a time now where you're in probably one of the more difficult times in your life. And it's easy. Life is a lot easier when you're not dealing with those day-to-day struggles and things are going well and things like that. But again, like you said, true test of a person is how you do and how you behave and how you deal with these challenges and these controversies. And that's what makes the man, you know what I mean? So I wish you the best of luck in going through these struggles. I can almost bet that these kind of struggles are going to be temporary. You'll look back on it and you will, are you working?
Yeah, I just got hired at a place because I had lost my job due to the injury. It was a work injury.
And you had back surgery, huh?
Yeah, it was in my neck. I had crushed a disc.
Man. All right. Well, let's wait on Miss Williams Law to come back, and then we will put this on. We got to do it all over again.
Okay.
I'm only good for one shot.
That's right. I thought.
You can go ahead.
Mr. Johnson, Officer Johnson. Officer Johnson. Officer Johnson.
Just want to put in the file.
Who was that?
This Daniel Crawford. This has his PSR. You want to read it? So, just put this thing.
Officer Johnson. Is Officer Johnson still here? I see he's still on the line. I'm not getting any response.
Yes, sir. I'm still here. Yes, sir.
Officer Johnson, who did you pull over this vehicle? Do you recall?
No, sir, I don't. I don't have that. I didn't write that information down on my ticket.
Has to withdraw the plea and move to dismiss. Did he take the plea already?
We hadn't finished taking the plea, and we had to get Miss Williams off.
Oh, that's right. Yeah.
She had to take a break. And I was just talking without it being on the record.
Officer Johnson, are you able to see chats? I sent you a chat.
Yes, hold on.
So you're over there on the north end? Mr. Guest?
Yes.
That's where I grew up, on the north end.
So, Your Honor,
Yes.
I know we're waiting to go back on the record, but in light of the circumstances, we're going to move to dismiss if Mr. Guest will stip to probable cause.
So stipulate.
I didn't have to. I didn't even have to give Mr. Guest an opportunity. Mr. Faulkner jumped all over that. Dismissal. All right. All right. So it's already getting a little better for you, Mr. Guest. We're not going to proceed with this, but I hope you take those words and I hope that offers you some kind of comfort in the situation you're going through. I guarantee it'll get better. I know, looking at it right now, difficult situation, and it's gonna be probably a little bit difficult to navigate, but I'm sure it'll be temporary.
Thank you. I hope it is, because I'm
Now,
trying.
do you have a place to go now?
I guess I'm gonna have to go stay with my mother, because.
So you got a place to
Yeah.
All right. That's what mothers are for, right?
Yeah.
I know my mom wouldn't want to see me, but she would let me in, I hope. If I come into that, if I ever came into that situation. As soon as Miss Williams' law comes back, we'll get you out of here, all right?
All right.
I'm gonna go check on some of the other courtrooms, but I'm still in the courthouse if anybody needs me.
Hey, listen, thank you so much, Ms. Schneider. I didn't really give you a proper welcome. So we welcome you. I know that Goss didn't want to be bothered with the city, so we're glad somebody with us.
Thank you, Your Honor. It's always good to hit the ground running.
There we go.
Keep it moving.
Appreciate you being here.
Have a great lunch, everybody.
Have a great day. Officer, he's gone too.
Your Honor, did you ask for me?
No. I think we're just waiting on Miss Williams Law to come back.
Not a problem.
Is that our last one?
Yes.
Okay.
Can you get the city law? Can you get the,
Your Honor, I am back.
all right, this is the city of Detroit versus Marcus Anthony Guest, case number ST128-83381. Appearance for the record, please.
Paul Fulton, the representative defendant, Your Honor. Your name, sir?
Marcus Guest.
Your Honor, it's my understanding the city wishes to dismiss this matter.
All right, I'm gonna dismiss the matter. Officer Johnson did appear and the city did agree to dismiss. We're gonna dismiss the matter, Mr. Guest. There's nothing further. You have a very good day. Good luck to you, okay?
Thank you.
Have a great day. Good luck, sir.
You too.
All right. All
All right,
right.
That process can be a madhouse sometimes.